Clear? Massif central to next one. I said that Helm, Scandinavian mountain system to North Sea. Scandinavian mountain system to North Sea. Clear? Helm. Next one, we are coming into Africa. You know that, पहले ध्यान से सुन ले. Here it is in a Mediterranean Sea, and I have said that temperate cyclone, आप लोगों को मैं बताया था कि here which comes temperate cyclone, and then there is some low pressure system created in the Mediterranean Sea, and then what happened from the Egypt, from the Libya, from the Chile, then the cold winds with desert sands, they started moving towards this low pressure, moving toward this. और आपको पता भी है कि यहाँ पे विंड क्या होता है, डिस्टेंस करता है. वन पार्ट विल मूव लाइक दिस एंड अनदर पार्ट विल मूव, लेकिन यहाँ पे लोकल विंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट, नॉट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वेस्टर्लीज. तो इसको वेस्टर्लीज मत समझना, इट इज एन व्हाट, लोकल विंड्स. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, द लो प्रेशर सिस्टम क्रिएटेड इन द मेडिटेरियन सी, एंड देन these winds are known as Sirocco. These winds are known as, all these winds are known as Sirocco, S-I-R-O-C-C-O, Sirocco. And these winds used to carry sand, and this sand color is red. And when they started moving from the Mediterranean Sea, they hold the moisture, and moisture लेने के बाद rainfall आगे करते हुए जाते हैं. तो when the rainfall आता है तो rain looks like red because of the dust, sand that is red, and it is known as a blood red. It is known as what? So which are the wind I said that? Sirocco, Khamsin, yes, Ghibli, Khamsin, Ghibli, Chile. Khamsin, Ghibli and Chile. Khamsin वैसे भी अब कमसिन लड़कियां इजीली नहीं मिलती हैं. इजिप्ट आजकल वो घी पी के रखती है, साथ में चिली भी चबाती है. सो आई सेड Khamsin, Ghibli, Chile. Khamsin, Ghibli, Chile. Okay? And these winds are, I said that, Sirocco. These winds are Sirocco. Khamsin, Ghibli, Chile. Khamsin, Ghibli, Chile. These are Sirocco winds, and all are warm. Red color means warm. Clear? समझ में आ गया? तो लिखेंगे this Sirocco winds moving from northern Africa towards, the Sirocco winds are moving from northern Africa towards low pressure system created in Mediterranean Sea in patch form during movement. Red sand carried from the desert region, and moisture from the Mediterranean Sea causing rainfall in red color, known as blood rain, bloody Sunday. नाम सुना है? World history. I said that it is known as blood red. And another I said that one local wind moves towards, I said that Nigeria and other coastal countries of Africa. And this region is highly full of moisture near to the equator. And due to the moist condition, the people are having what pathogens, and they face a kind of what diseases and all. But where the wind, dry and hot wind coming from the deserts, in this region, there be high and hot and dry wind will come, then the moisture from that region will what? Remove. And therefore this wind act as a doctor, and it is known as Dr. Harmattan wind. It is known as what? So, from the high pressure, extra high pressure zone of Saharan desert, extra high pressure and hot wind from Saharan desert move towards highly humid region of Africa, like Nigeria, Cameroon, and other, which are facing disease through pathogens. But this hot wind provide them relief. Dr. Harmattan. Clear? So, next in the North America, that ध्यान से पहले नाम याद कर लें. जस्ट दिस इज पापागायो, दिस इज नॉटे. पापा ने गाना गाया, वैसे भी वो नॉटी वाला गाना गाएंगे. उनको तो पता ही नहीं होता है कि व्हाट द काइंड ऑफ लोरी दैट ही हैज टू मेक देयर किड्स टू लिसन. बच्चा जाग जाता है इंस्टेड ऑफ. सो आई सेड दैट पापागायो, नॉटे विंड, able to see these are coming from high latitude to low latitude. So write down, in North America, Papagayo and Norte wind. In North America, Papagayo and Norte wind are moving from Appalachian mountain system of North America to Gulf of Mexico region. Gulf of Mexico region. Clear? These are cold winds, high latitude to the. So which one I said that? Yes. Papagayo, Norte wind. Papagana gaye, Norte. Papagayo, Norte. N-O-R-T. दिस इज एन ब्लिजार्ड, जो आप लोगों को एक बार एग्जांपल दिया था. दिस इज व्हाट? ब्लिजार्ड, BLIZZARD. इट इज कमिंग फ्रॉम आर्कटिक ओशियन टू व्हाट इज आई सेड दैट ग्रेट लेक्स ऑफ नॉर्थ अमेरिका. ब्लिजार्ड. और इसको कोल्ड विंड ना कह के बोला जाए तो स्नो स्टॉर्म. इट कैरीज लॉट्स ऑफ स्नो एंड कॉजिंग स्टॉर्म लाइक सिचुएशन. स्नो स्टॉर्म. Blizzard coming from Arctic region to, I said that, Great Lakes of North America. Cold winds and snowstorm, and that you can say Chinook, जो आप लोग को कल भी मैंने बताया था. That is a Chinook, that is like a phone. Chile, CHI and double OK. So the different continent has several. I said that you have to give some kind of names to support your figure. The question can come in the form of, write down, define tertiary wind. Define tertiary wind. Full stop. Tertiary wind play an important role. Tertiary wind play an important role in affecting the climate of the world. Justify this statement. Okay, so in the world where they are, how do they are affecting the climate, that you have to discuss. समझ में आ चुका है? And बताते आ रहा हूँ कि कैसे क्या कर रहे हैं लोग. Yes, so you have to discuss and take the name. Understood? Take the name and define it, and that should be 250 words. Understood? Next one that we are going to see, temperature inversion. And there are the, especially I said that 5 types of temperature inversion. 5 types of temperature inversion. So the लिखते चले, first temperature inversion is radiation inversion. Second is advection inversion. Sorry, air drainage inversion second, जो अभी हमने कराया था. Katabatic wind, mountain breeze, air drainage inversion. Advection inversion लिख लिया आपने. And thereafter subsidence inversion. And then fifth one is frontal inversion, जो आपने कल फिगर देखा था for the formation of precipitation. Perhaps you remember. याद है? Cold air mass and warm air mass started rising up. So with increasing height, what you will find? Temperature inversion. Yes. So the first one, if I have seen that, लेकिन temperature inversion का definition क्या कहेंगे? Yes. What is the temperature inversion? हाँ? ये तो जोड़ना ही है, लेकिन जो आप लोग कहते हो उसके साथ ये जोड़ना है. Generally what we find, with increasing temperature there is a decrease in, with increasing height there is a decrease in temperature. But instead, if with increasing height temperature started increasing, such phenomena considered as a temperature inversion. Under such inversion, convection does not take place. Convection, so कहीं पे भी convection नहीं होगा, इसका मतलब है it means temperature inversion started. Okay, right now. और ये टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन कहीं भी हो सकता है. इट इज नॉट इन द, इट इज इन द, जैसे आप लोग देख रहे हैं कि हमारे ट्रोपोस्फीयर से हम स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर में जाते हैं, देयर इज अ टेम्परेचर इन्वर्जन. द टेम्परेचर स्टार्टेड व्हाट इज ना व्हाट इंक्रीजिंग, और इसके बाद यहाँ का गैसियस मॉलिक्यूल्स कैन नॉट कन्वेक्ट अपवर्ड. अंडरस्टूड? सो द कन्वेक्शन फ्रॉम दिस ट्रोपोस्फीयर टू स्ट्रेटोस्फीयर कंप्लीटली stops. So I said that temperature inversion, it is such a dynamic thermodynamic phenomenon.